Hi and welcome to episode number 624 with whatsforchow.com. Just a few days ago we did sous vide pork fillet to achieve a supremely juicy tender result. Today we're going to coat and deep fry pork fillet medallions to get an equally tender and juicy result. Starting with the marinade, finely chop 4 cloves garlic, the equivalent quantity of fresh ginger, and measure 20 ml sugar, 30 ml medium cream sherry and 60 ml light soy sauce. Stir these all together and put this aside. Take a pork fillet of around 600 grams in weight and trim away all the connective tissue from the ends. Start lifting the membrane or silverskin and trimming it from the meat. Cut the fillet into medallions of around 30 mm in thickness. Working with one at a time, fold the medallion in breadfilm or clingfilm and tap it down to 10 mm in thickness using your meat mallet. Place the meat in a shallow dish and add the marinade, making sure everything is coated. Transfer this to your refrigerator for 60 minutes to marinate. Measure 2/3 of a cup of potato starch into a bowl. Sprinkle some of this starch over a platter. This is where the coated meat will rest and the layer of starch will prevent the coating from being damaged. Lift the pork from the marinade, piece by piece, and dredge it in the potato starch to get a good solid coating. Transfer these to the platter. Fill a large pan with oil to a depth of 1 inch and heat it to 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Carefully lower the pork medallions into the oil and allow these to fry for 4 minutes, turning every minute. Lift the pork from the oil and drain any excess oil on kitchen paper. You may notice a slight flaky residue on the surface of the coating. This is quite normal. Brush the pork coating lightly with roasted sesame oil and this will disappear. Serve the pork piping hot, accompanied with lemon wedges and the accompaniments of your choice. Thanks for joining us today. Please like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you again on Sunday.